Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making our second take-home craft, the Hang 3 Challenge. Included in your kit is your set of instructions, 12 paper clips, 7 flexi straws, 5 black chenille stems, 5 white chenille stems, and 1 piece of white cardstock. You're also going to need a pencil, a ruler, and tape. To start, we're going to hold our paper short side facing up and measure the halfway mark. So the paper measures 8 1/2, so we'll make a mark at 4 1/4 and use that mark to draw a line in the middle of the page. Then along this line, we're going to mark off 1 inch, 4 inches, 7 inches, and 10 inches. The next step is to unbend 4 paper clips into an L shape. And we're going to tape down each of these unbent paper clips onto the pencil marks we've just made. We're going to tape them down with the big loop standing up and the little loop on the paper. Okay, the next step is to take 4 of your straws, and you'll want to make sure that you extended the flexi part of your straw. And with the flexi part facing down, you'll put the 4 straws over the loops of the paper clips. And you can move things around and try to straighten things out. Okay, the next step is to take 1 straw and stick the smaller loop of the paper clip part way into the end. You want the bigger loop of the paper clip to be exposed. You'll put 1 paper clip in each end of the straw, and then the bigger loop is going to go over the straw on each end, and it'll help to squeeze the end of the straw to fit it through the loop. Now that it's on, you're going to push that down until it is just above the flexi part of the straw. You're going to repeat that with another straw and 2 more paper clips. So the smaller end of the loop goes in part way to the paper clip, and the big end of the loop is still exposed. And the end of the straw goes in to the big loop. Now slide that down until it's about 2 inches from the other straw that you just put on. Now we're going to take our last straw and 2 more paper clips. We're going to slide the bigger loop of the paper clip over the end of the straw, one on each side. And you may need to squeeze to get over that flexible part of the straw. And now you're going to stick the smaller end of the paper clip into the 2 middle straws. And the last step is to, again, unbend 2 of the paper clips into an L shape. And then you'll use that to connect the top and the side bar by putting 1 loop in the sidebar and 1 loop in the top bar. And you may want to use tape to secure that joint right there. So that's the jungle gym, or the tic-tac-toe board part of the Hang 3 challenge. To make your players, you're going to take one of your chenille stems and bend it in half. And you can use your thumb as a measuring point and twist it around your thumb a couple of times. That's the head. Then you're going to bend it up to make arms and twist those a couple of times to secure. Now you bend your legs and that is how your player hangs on to your board. And now you can play tic-tac-toe, and that's the Hang 3 challenge.